Hi guys, welcome back to a Planet Coaster video. This is my first one. But anyway, I have this fireworks show. It's really cool. I did it. It's basically all these fireworks. I try to make it a little realistic so they don't get repeated in sequences. They just go off once and another one goes off. I have some discs and a lot of these. I duplicated them around the place. I actually did a double layer, or not a double layer, sorry, two different ones side by side of these comets because I really like them. Just to make them last longer, we have a lot of tiny ones over here. A lot of them. We have some ones that show pictures in the air. More of these ones. More discs. We repeated the same thing on the other side. And this is only the grand finale. The ones behind it, though, these picture ones, they aren't part of it. But that whole thing right there is the grand finale. They'll go off at once. Yeah, basically the same thing on the other side. And everything. Good. I'm still working on the audio a little bit, so it might sound a little bit weird. I'm still working on this plaza area, but might as well make a camera just to make it a little better to see the show, see the ones up in the air. So yeah, when I'm done with this camera real quick, you could see it. Alright, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Alright, so the show's done. Thank you guys for watching. I really liked making this show. It took about probably 3 days. And yeah, I will be putting more Planet Coaster videos. Bye and have a good day.